Got 2 minutes to change? Welcome to our podcast. Welcome Mark Harrison of Black Kettle Soap Company. Visit bksoapco.com.
How did you get involved in this?
We have 6 girls, 1 boy, and 5 of the girls had eczema. We found out what they're allergic to and made them the appropriate soaps and lotions and laundry soap. And yeah, that's how it started actually.
Fantastic. That's actually one of the best stories and has come up before in solving a problem related to your own family. You discover something that works better for many, many, many people. You can do it.
If it's something that you want to do, have an idea for, you can do it. I just see that. I'm not just saying that you could do it. I know that you can do it because I have been doing it over the past 35, 40 years. Yeah.
I agree. I tell my students that I encourage my students with a similar thought all the time, because I think it's important, especially for students, to know that if you've got an idea, it's just a matter of making it happen.
Mark's hero.
It's my wife, Erica. Truly, she is all I wanted to be. I look at her every day because I see her every day. And I just say, wow, I want that,
This has been 2 Minutes to Change, a sustainability podcast. Thank you very much to our guest, Mark Harrison, and thanks to my co-host, Lauren Stanek. This is Jodi Smits-Anderson. Have a great day.
I was really, really scared. I said, what did I jump into?
That's what everyone says. It's not so bad in the end, is it?